Mike Johnson CV. What's good? I'm in the building. Same place, different time. Chains on deck. Little ice, little something, something. Nothing crazy. Been getting money. But no, listen. Today I want to talk about this fucking show that apparently ABC has a shitload of money to waste, and they got a show called Splash. Splash apparently is a celebrity diving competition in the vein of Dancing with the Stars. Now, I don't really mind seeing females in bikinis and shit like that, but I got some fears for this show. One of the I got fears for the contestants mainly. One of the main contestants I'm scared for is fucking Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. This dude used to be an NBA basketball player with the Lakers and the Bucks in like the 70s and the 80s. He's like almost like 65 or 70. Like, I'm kind of scared to see him jump off the fucking diving board, and I don't really want to see the outcome of that. Shit's not going to be good. Another person I'm scared for is the dude from the Detroit Lions named Nnamdi whatever the or whatever. I don't even know how to pronounce that nigga's name, but nigga's in the middle of his career doing diving shows in fucking like April. Like, come on, yo. Like, shit can't be good, I mean, there's a couple of good contestants that I am happy that they're gonna be shown, and that would be Rudy from Cosby Show and the chick that is the Miss Alabama girlfriend of the dude that was playing football. Like, I ain't gonna mind to see, them participate and, accidental camel toe, nip slips, whatever. But is this what we come down to? Like, reality shows, diving contest show? Please let the ratings be horrible so that this is the last time we see this fucking idea. Because if this shit is successful, there's going to be all types of spin-off diving shows and people just fucking themselves up, and then it's going to be the popular thing to be going diving and shit, man. Like, they're just taking it too far, yo, but that's all I got to say about this whole show today, and we'll see how it plays out when it comes on. Prayers going out beforehand to Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, legendary player, black man. He was in a movie with Bruce Lee, for God's sake, so let's hope this nigga can stay alive. Mike Johnson TV. Yeah. Alright.